In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in LibreOffice Impress. We'll walk through 3 simple, reliable ways to bring pictures into your slides, and I'll share some practical tips so your images look clean and professional once they're in place. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, add a clear title to your slide so you know exactly where your image will sit in relation to your text. A tidy slide structure makes it easier to place visuals and plan any animations you'll add later. The first method uses the menu. From the top bar, choose Insert, then Image. A file browser opens so you can navigate to your folders and select the picture you want. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and SVG work well. Click Open, and the image appears on your current slide. Once it's there, drag to reposition it. Use the corner handles to resize. For proportional scaling, hold Shift while dragging a corner so you don't stretch the image. Keep important details away from the edges, and use the alignment guides that appear to line things up with your title or other objects. The second method is drag and drop. If you can see the file in your computer's File Explorer, just drag it directly onto the slide. Impress places it where you drop it, which is great when you're adding several images quickly. If it comes in too large, reduce it by dragging a corner inward, and watch for the on-screen guides to help you center or align the image neatly. The third method is copy and paste. In your web browser or another program, select the image and press Ctrl+C. Return to your slide and press Ctrl+V to paste. On a Mac, use Command-C and Command-V. Make sure you're copying the actual image, not just a link or a small preview. If the pasted picture looks blurry, try saving the image to your computer first, then insert it using the menu or drag and drop method for better quality. Whichever method you choose, aim for images with sufficient resolution so they remain sharp on large screens. After placement, confirm the image doesn't cover your title or any elements you plan to animate. If you make a mistake, Ctrl+Z quickly undoes the last change, and as you work, save regularly so your updates are preserved. That's all you need to confidently insert images in Impress. Use the Insert menu, drag and drop from your File Explorer, or copy and paste from another app. Pick the approach that fits your workflow, and your slides will look polished and presentation ready.